Hi, I am so excited to be back in an e-learning. This is e-learning week 3. We've already had 2 full weeks of e-learning, and this week I'm actually going to throw tomorrow, Friday, May 1st, into our third week of e-learning. So think of it as having an extra day to do your work. A few things that I want to go over with you. So first of all, the gradebook should be up to date. We have 4 grades in the gradebook right now from the first 2 weeks. So each week we've had 2 grades. The first grade is from just completion of your assignments for the week. You get 1 point or 2 points for completing those assignments. The second grade is from the paragraph that you are writing. If you write that paragraph and do it well and do the task at hand, which means you write 5 to 7 sentences and you cite your authors using MLA, parenthetical citation, then you'll get the full 2 points. If you attempt to answer it but don't necessarily complete it to the perfection that I'm looking for, you'll get 1 point. And then if you don't do it, you'll get 0 points. So that's the paragraph. So the next 2 weeks, we actually have 6 assignments that are going to be in the grade book. So far you have 4 assignments for this quarter in the grade book, plus your participation grade. So I guess that's 5 total. Remember, I teach English, but we will have 6 more assignments. And I just want to give you a rundown. So you're going to get 3 per week. Assignments 5 and 8 will be related to the novel Unwind. So at this point, you should be like around chapter 50, I think, if I remember correctly, but you should be almost done with it. And hopefully you're devouring it because you're to the part where it gets really good. So assignments 5 and assignments 8 are going to ask you questions about the novel that you're reading. Assignment 6 and assignment 9 are like assignments 1 and 3, where I'm just going to evaluate whether or not you did the work. Did you complete the assignments each week? You get 1 point or 2 point for that. And then grades 7 and 10 are going to be your research questions. So again, you are synthesizing and integrating the research that you do throughout the week in a paragraph. Now this week, that paragraph changes just a little bit. Instead of asking you to write an informative paragraph, I'm going to ask you to write an argumentative or persuasive paragraph. The research question is, should people donate their organs? So you know from reading Unwind that when we say unwind, it means harvesting organs out of the teenagers. And so we are going to do research this week on how organ donation works and what are the pros and cons of it. And then you get to write a paragraph. Should people donate their organs? On Thursday, I am going to offer a live Google Meet session just as a question and answer session. So if you have questions on how to write your paragraph or on some of the material you've read, please feel free to join me on Google Meet. It'll be from 11 a.m. to noon. And I will post that link in the activity feed around 11 o'clock. It'll be like at 10:45. So you guys can access it from there. And, the last question. Or comment. I'm getting a lot of questions about work that maybe you want to redo. You are more than welcome to redo anything. If I've already graded it though, so grades 1 through 4, just send me an email and let me know that you redid it. I am giving you feedback on those paragraphs if you're not getting a 2. So if you get a 0 or 1, I'm posting a link to the video that you should watch for instruction, and I'm giving you some feedback on what I'm looking for. So feel free to redo that if you want credit for it. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or reach out to me. I'll be trying to come to you every day this week on Instagram Live just to say hi and check in with you. And as always, if you need anything, let me know. I hope you have a splendid week. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. I miss you all. Love you.